Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an AS vegetable judge. I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of soil testing. A lot of us in our home gardens, we have various different areas that we plant into. We may have some annual plantings and perennial plantings up in the front of the house. Many of us have a vegetable garden in the backyard. And all of us like to get the most out of our gardens. It's hard to do that sometimes if you don't know where you start. So every few seasons, it's a good idea to take a few samples from your vegetable plot, take a few samples from your annual plantings, send those in, get them soil tested to get a good idea of the nutrient content of your soil. There might be a couple of nutrients that are really high, some that might be low. So during the course of fertilizing during the season, you could gear your fertilizer towards what you're lacking, build your soils up a little bit better, make them more successful, make your plants grow to the best of their abilities, get the most yield out of your vegetables, get the most color out of your annuals, and just have a better garden overall. When it comes to soil testing, it's really hard to know where you're going with your soil nutrition if you don't know where you're starting. So